If your morning alarm sounds calm, you're not listening to the sun. If your coffee doesn't vibrate, you're not near Jupiter's storms. If your playlist lacks a pulsar, you're missing the universe's metronome. The sun, a deep, resonant hum. Plasma and magnetic fields turned into a slow, metallic breathe. Saturn, shimmering bells, rings and radio waves mapped into twinkling chimes. Jupiter, thunderous, warped bass, its magnetosphere stretching and snapping like cosmic rubber bands. Earth, familiar, soft oceanic tones when translated from our ionosphere. A distant star, a warped violin, oscillation stretched across light years. And finally, the pulsar, razor-sharp chirps, lighthouse-like ticks from a spinning neutron star, impossibly precise and a little bit eerie. Close your eyes. Space isn't silent. It's a strange, beautiful orchestra.